How to fix Instagram followers stuck on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram followers stuck on Android phone. First thing, just open settings and then scroll down until you find here this one, storage. Click on it and here you will find cleanup, and now just you need to find here junk files or cache. Just wait, and you need to clean this one here, junk file. Just click clean up, and here just click clean up here, and that's it. It's easy. Now the cache have been cleaned. Just go back and restart your phone, and then click restart, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.